Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to take or save the image that you want to set as an wallpaper. Now, go ahead and open your photos and choose the photo or image that you want to set as wallpaper. And now, just go ahead and click on the share button at the lower left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see Use as Wallpaper option. So just go ahead and click on that. And now you want to click Set. And you can choose if you want to set it as lock screen or home screen. So I'm just gonna choose set home screen, or you can just set both, okay? So now when I exit this, you can see that the wallpaper is now changed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.